This is how you're going to change email password in Hostinger. So if you want to know how to change your email password, then here's what you're going to do. So step one is you're going to log into your hpanel.hostinger.com, and then step here you're going to go to emails right at this left side panel. Just click on emails. Now from here you're going to click on this talkisoju.shop. I'm going to click on manage, and then from here you will be able to see this account overview or your email account overview. Now we're just going to click on mailboxes from here, and then you will see this three dots just beside the webmail button. So we're just going to click on this three dots depending on which mailbox you want to change the password. So I only have one, so I'm going to click on this three dots right here just beside that, and then you will see this change password option. You're just going to click on that, and then from here you're going to enter your new password, and once you have entered it, you will have to confirm it by re-entering your new password, and then just click on update. Now once you click on update, you will now have a new password every time you log into your email. If you're using this email on apps like Outlook or Gmail, just update the stored password in your email client to continue receiving messages as well. And that's how you can change an email password in Hostinger. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more.